Let me ask you a huge life question. What are you responsible for? If you're an adult, you're probably going to say yourself, myself. If you have family, your spouse, kids, maybe neighborhood and community, in-laws. If you're working, how about your colleagues and your organization? Are you responsible for them? Sort of, maybe, maybe not. Who or what or when are we actually responsible? Like I said, a big question. People give different answers, don't they? Don't they really? Our cultural upbringing plays into it. Our personality plays into it, probably more than we'd like to think. And yet, we tend to project, right? Don't we? Our answer, expecting other people are going to answer, understand, the same way. And then we wonder why they behave differently, why they fall short. I mean, do you know somebody who's irresponsible? Probably, right? And then we could ask, like, where are they falling short? Is it finances? Is it health, relationships, school, work, spirituality, taking care of the environment? What about the quality of our thinking and our emotions? Okay, are we responsible for those? Managing and educating our own heart and mind. How does that work? Now, like I said, this is a big question, so let me ask you. When someone else falls short, what consequences are you willing to suffer on their behalf? And when you fall short, what consequences do you expect, perhaps feel entitled to get support from other people? Like I said, it's a big question. And by the way, who am I? I'm Dario Nardi, PhD. And I do neuroscience and games and cultural anthropology and stuff like that. And I'm particularly interested because, yeah, I do brains and I've lived in different places, the Caribbean, different parts of the United States, Japan, Norway. And in each of these places, people have different norms and expectations of what responsibility is and what consequences to take on with that. And yeah, so please join me, by the way, if you're even remotely interested in this question. In person this April 2nd to 4th, for Type in Tokyo. It's an interactive conference that is around personality and culture and neuroscience. And, we will be tackling responsibility, questions like that, conformity, the roles that we play, and a whole bunch of other, fun topics. And I hope to see you there.